Hey, welcome, it's Pete. In this video, I'm going to share with you about a brand new project that we recently got into, and I'm going to talk about the ZENIQ coin, why it has the potential to blow up in price, and in fact, if you don't know about the ZENIQ project, I will link out to the first video I did where I talked about the project. This is a huge mining facility where people can buy master nodes and mine their own crypto virtually, or even get the physical device. A company that is based in Dubai, and there's a limited supply of these master nodes that you can purchase and invest into to mine your own crypto. But at the same time, the project is evolving. It's launching its own DEX, its own decentralized exchange like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and a lot more utility coming. So as this project evolves, the price of the coin is going to skyrocket, now being at about 30 cents at the time of shooting this. So I'm going to share with you how you can invest into the coin if you'd like to. It's trading on the live market, or if you'd like to invest into the project itself and buy master nodes and mine your own crypto, watch the #1 video below that'll walk you through that process. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can, find the ZENIQ coin on the market, how, if you're a part of the project, how you can withdraw it as you're mining it, right? How you can liquidate it, and all that fun stuff. With that said, let's dive into this video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you how you can find the ZENIQ coin that I'm talking about, right, on Uniswap. You cannot find it like on CoinMarketCap or another index or CoinGecko just yet. Right now, it's just trading on Uniswap. So all you would have to do is just go to app.uniswap.org, or I think you can just do uniswap.org and just go to this launch app here, and I'll take you to the Uniswap decentralized swapping platform. Okay, then you just click charts over here. Okay, you will not be able to find the ZENIQ coin here yet until you import it. So you want to click on charts, okay, on Uniswap. That'll open in a separate window. Okay, then up here in the search, you can put in ZENIQ, Z-E-N-I-Q. Okay, there it is, ZENIQ coin. Right now it's 33 cents on the market. Let's click on it. Okay, here it is. And what you can do now is go here to see where it says ZENIQ here. You want to click on this address here, on this code. It'll again open in a separate window, and this is the ZENIQ contract address, okay, on Etherscan. So what you can do is click here to copy that address. Okay, copied. Now I can go back to Uniswap, and what you want to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. Just click there, make sure you're logged into your MetaMask wallet. It's a free wallet that you just set up and add to your Google Chrome. Okay, then you want to open your MetaMask, scroll down and go to add token. Okay, select custom token. Okay, and now you want to paste that contract address that we grabbed for ZENIQ. Paste. It says token has already been added. So I already added it in my wallet, but that's all you would have to do. It'll give you the token symbol and everything. You just click next, add asset. Okay. When I scroll down, there it is. So you want to have it come up. Okay. ZENIQ. So when I click on it, I can send coins out. I can swap them for something else. And if you want to, send your ZENIQ coins here, you just grab your wallet address, just copy it to clipboard, and send your ZENIQ coins to your wallet. And that'll recognize your ZENIQ category here and import them there. Okay? Now on Uniswap, you want to select token. Like I have some Ethereum in my wallet, so you want to select token. Go to search and paste address. Again, put in that same contract address there. It'll bring up the ZENIQ coin. Then you want to import it. Import. And now there it is. So now Uniswap recognizes it, and your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, also recognizes it. And now at any time, look, you can say I want to take some of my ETH and buy some ZENIQ coins. Okay, so how much you want to buy? Well, let's say 100, right? That'll cost me $33 because they're about 33 cents right now. Swap, so I can buy ZENIQ coins and hold them in my MetaMask. Or I can log into my Safir account, right? Because I'm mining ZENIQ coins, I can withdraw them from here and liquidate them if I'd like to. So that's if you're mining ZENIQ coins, okay, and you have hubs going for you. If not, you can just buy them and import them, just like I showed you, and buy them on Uniswap and sell them at any time. And I also showed you how to check the price of the coin when you go to charts here. Put in ZENIQ, and there it is. You can see the live market price of the coin. All the trading volume. Okay, as you can see, consistent trades going on. ZENIQ for ETH that are being swapped in real time. Hey, hit that thumbs up if you appreciate this. Let me know in the comments if you're inside the ZENIQ project and if you actually own shares or master nodes, also referred to as hubs. These are, farming hubs that mine crypto for you, and a coin that is named ZENIQ that is growing in value at the same time. It mines, and then you can liquidate it at any time, or you can use it to buy more shares or hubs and get more coins mined for you. So pretty exciting project, that we are part of. And in this video, I just wanted to cover with you how you can, find the coin in the market. If you're mining it, how you can withdraw it and liquidate it, or just buy and hold a coin if you'd like to. And the project behind it, is very powerful. It's going to, I think, evolve and drive the price of the coin up as well. But I say, why not just, instead of just, buying the coin and holding it, why not, mine that coin? Because for the same investment, you're duplicating your coin, you're getting your return on investment, and then you're mining for the next 19 to 20 years for the same money, and you're going to get a lot more coins as they go up in value. This is how you can, get a lot more back for your investment if you're going to participate in this project. Might as well watch that #1 video that I'm linking out to below, so you can actually, pick up some hubs and shares and start mining that, ZENIQ coin, and you can get the full potential out of this project. Hey, with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This was Pete. Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. Let me know in the comments if you're a part of the ZENIQ project, and I'll see you in the next video.